Hi, we are Preen AC Power Corp. Today we would like to show you how to use our AFV Plus series high power programmable AC source to simulate different electricity demands and single and three-phase power system. There are single-phase and three-phase electric power systems in the world. As you can see in the screen, there are two types of three-phase system. Ducted connection, which consists of three-phase and three wires, and a star connection, which consists of three-phase and four wires. For the single-phase system, there are single-phase two-wire and single-phase three-wire system. Preen's AFV Plus series is able to simulate multiple power systems in one unit and test whether it is three-phase or single-phase load. If you would like to test the single-phase three-wire load, it is really simple to operate our AFV Plus series. You just have to set up the three-phase angle adjustment function, then you can test the load. Generally speaking, when three-phase is under balance situation, the phase angle between phase to phase is 120 degrees. To test single-phase three-wire load, you have to adjust the angle to 180 degrees and connect the two-wire line-to-line at the output terminal. Let's do the setting on the touchscreen. From the power analyzer value, we can know that the AFV Plus series can not only supply for three-phase, but also single-phase three-wire. It can realize worldwide power system in a single unit and further saves cost and footprint. AFV Plus series can also power up three single-phase loads by its three-phase voltage independent adjustment function. With this function, AFV Plus can output three different voltages at the same time. Today we will set the EU's 220 volts, the US 120 volt, and Japan's 100 volt as an example and output the power. From the power analyzer, you can find the three different sine waves that represent the different voltages. In conclusion, AFV Plus is not a three-phase output unit which can only test three-phase load, but can also test a single-phase three-wire or two-wire unit by setting the phase angle which is convenient for the user. This will save their time and cost. Thank you for watching the video. If you have further questions, please contact us at www.preenpower.com.